Yo, what's good everyone? It's Marvin from MJ23dan.com. This is a Kobe signature, but let's just open this up. So it's not really Kobe signature, but shout out to my boy Jefferson who does YouTube videos, and you should follow him. I'll put his information in the description and a card up here so you guys can check him out. But a few weeks ago I contacted him and see if he can get me this, but I didn't know if he came through, but he did. And this, my friends, is the Michael Jordan Foot Locker Funko Pop. Now he makes a YouTube video, and just out of the blue, I'm like, no way. And then on top of that, he wanted to gift it to me. So I just thought that was extremely humbling, and shout out again to you, Jefferson. I really appreciate that. I even offered to pay shipping. He didn't want to take that, but I'm gonna have to treat you to dinner when I'm back in San Diego, back home, dude. But yo, the Funko Pop, Michael Jordan, this is number 54. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Alright, so this is actually my first Funko, and it's really cool that this company actually recreates things from pop culture, and that's basically it, pop. And I don't really know the history too much of the company. I know there are other people, you know, around the world and on YouTube that do videos specifically about Funko Pops, and there's a big, you know, culture revolved around that, and it's the same thing with sneakers. But I apologize if I don't have too much history and knowledge about Funko Pops, but there are 3 versions of the Michael Jordan Funko Pop, and so this one is the Foot Locker exclusive. There's also, well, it's not really an exclusive, but it was more of like a common, so to speak. So that one's a little bit more widely available. The other one is the black jersey from Fanatics, and then another one from Target that's exclusive to them. So I do have pre-orders actually for this one and the 2 other ones, which I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to be getting them. I've heard March 1st for the Target exclusive. So I guess with the pre-orders for that, and I'll go ahead and also post that in the description if you guys are interested in that. But I went ahead and did the pre-order for that, and I think for this common I did GameStop, so I should be receiving it hopefully sometime in March, who knows. But yeah, it's really simple. It's Michael Jordan in supposedly the Air Jordan 3s. Now the reason why he didn't have the particular shoes, and not there, you know, it kind of has that look to it, but it's not really the Air Jordan 3. But it's because Funko did not have the license to recreate Michael Jordan's shoes here, so that's why you don't see a true like Nike Jordan brand type sneaker there. But the jersey, they do have that license, so they can recreate that. So you'll see logos up on the shorts there with the NBA logo and then the Chicago Bulls uniform, so that's pretty cool. And then I guess, you know, with purists and stuff, you'll notice that Michael Jordan has a bald head, but in 87 and 1988 when he did the actual slam dunk contest here, 1988. He was not rocking a bald head. He did have hair. So anyways, that's about it. That's the review. Again, shout out to Jefferson. Thank you so much, dude, for looking out. Really appreciate that. I am looking forward to the other two versions of the Funko Pops from Fanatics and Target. So hopefully that'll come pretty quick. And that's about it. So if you guys are, new here, consider subscribing. I talk about Air Jordans, sneaker culture, the sneaker community, discussions, jerseys, you name it. Again, it's MJO23Dan. You can also follow me on MJO23Dan.com and also on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And that's about it. Talk to you guys later. Take care.